Hello everyone, welcome again to IPGA-SF tutorial videos. In the previous video we learned about medical coding. Now many of you have a question in their mind: how much does a medical coder make in a year? Do you know that AAPC member medical coders average $54,890 per year? Without certification, they earn $42,015 per year, while those with one certification earn 33% more, $55,923. See the graph of average income versus experience in years on the screen. Skills required to be a medical coder. Attention to detail: a medical coder should have a good eye for detail while processing and coding medical documents. If a wrong alphanumeric code is assigned for a surgical procedure, it can lead to a significant problem for the patient and the doctor. Medical coders should be proficient at technical skills where they can quickly learn new software from Microsoft Excel to Master Patient Index, MPI. A strong analytical skill is highly essential. What is the career in medical coding for AB.Pharma? Medical coding is a good option for science students. However, your dispensing drugs knowledge will be of no use in medical coding. MC is more about anatomy and diseases. In coding, one need to apply a specific code for a specific disease. You'll be able to access patient's medical report where doctor will mention his medical conditions and treatments patient has gone through. You'll have to apply code for all of his diseases and treatments on website of vendor, insurance company. We've many branches in medical coding like radiology, where only medical reports of CT scan, ultrasound, etc. will be available. Career opportunities in India: it is easy to start a career in medical coding since this field doesn't compulsorily require a clinical or healthcare degree. Online assignments from US and UK. Certified professional coder. Jobs in medical insurance companies. Reimbursement specialist. Coding specialist. Claims processor/claims reviewer. Patient account representative. Medical collector. Who is hiring medical coders? You can see the company names on the screen. Hope you liked the video. You can also follow us on our social media handles. Links provided in the description box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.